Hi guys, we're back working on this 2006 Outback Legacy. These are all the same from 2005 to 9, and the wagon sedan all the same for the door stuff, the front. This switch goes bad a lot. We sell a lot of this switch, so I'm going to show you guys how to remove this switch and replace it. Main switch, if you're replacing it, you could just take the panel if you're working on your car and put it back here so it's easy to work on. I'm gonna show you guys. See, this is a screw right here, screw here, there's a screw here, and there's two down here and one more right here. There's one right here. One screw here. I don't know if this screw even matters. No, this one doesn't. This one can go back on here. But basically have one screw here, and one here. And the switch comes off. And if you got a new one, same way you go back in. Just, you know, slide in and just tuck. And I would say before, you know, it has one way going in, doesn't go any other way. What I would do is I'd put it in this way, put a screw in, put all your screws in, and then flip the door panel over and look on the other side, make sure it's mounted correctly before you tighten all the screws. That's how you remove this guy, okay?